We had our executive committee meeting today and reviewed the progress made by the Pradesh Congress Committee in matters of organization, membership and filling up of vacancies in the block Congress committees and the cells and departments. The tide seems to be turning against the BJP now, as is evident from the Bihar elections, and even in this by-elections results which have come today, they have not done too well. All the promises made by the BJP, particularly Mr. Modi, have not been fulfilled. The poor man's protein diet, dal, is selling over 250 rupees a kg. In fact, the vegetarian people are at loss because dal is more expensive than chicken. The promise made to get the black money back has not been fulfilled. The economy is not doing too well. The exports have been declining and the promised Achhe Din are nowhere to be seen. The government is openly encouraging acts of intolerance, openly encouraging persecution of the minority community. The employment is increasing and eminent literary figures, eminent artists, eminent historians, eminent social workers are returning their awards, which is a matter of serious concern.